In today's video, I demonstrate how to do a modified push-up that combines a knee lunge and a normal push-up that helps you build a very tight core and also increase your overall strength. You simply take the position of a normal push-up and ensure that one of your knees is pushed towards your elbow as you lower yourself towards the ground, and return that same leg to its original position as you push away from the ground. Repeat this same step for your other leg and you will have yourself doing a push-up variation that greatly helps you build your strength and also tighten your core. Now, for more videos like these, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also leave a comment in the comment section on the type of videos you would like to see and the type of muscle groups you would like me to work on.